Hello everyone, hi Scorpio, water sign. So this is the January weekly reading and general may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, okay? Let's see your messages and what's going on, Scorpio. Wow. Queen of Pentacles, I think you may be investing your money in various forms, in various businesses. Definitely there is some financial abundance is coming in your way. You will achieving financial stability and you are very caring and giving person in this connection, in relationship. Yeah, you are very caring. In recent past, the person involved in this connection could be Pisces or Virgo, especially Aquarius. Okay, let's see. You were reading in recent past, the Moon, Knight of Cups and Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely you are invested in some relationship and waiting for the outcome. Or in career, definitely you invested your money in something and waiting for the result. Yeah, but the Moon is there. Definitely there are some secrets hidden. You may be hiding something from your person or your person may be hiding something from you. Yeah, but later, yeah, financial stability and long-term commitment is coming because Ace of Pentacles. But still you are not trusting your person because the Moon card is there. There are some secrets. You may be juggling between head over the heart. Yeah, you undergoing some spiritual awakening. The person involved in this connection could be Virgo. Right now you are not talking to your person. You isolated yourself from all, not talking to anyone. Yeah, you're seeing the things clearly now, and definitely after that there is some communication is going to be happen between you and your person. Ace of Swords, truth coming out. You are I am seeing there for some reconciliation because the star, you are still hoping for this connection. If you want some changes in your person that are coming, because Six of Pentacles, definitely equal give and take is coming, and you will manage your financials also because there is balance coming in your financial situation also. I think they are coming back to offer equal give and take, Scorpio, and some communication, truth coming out, Ace of Swords and new beginnings. Yeah, because you are hoping for the better, because the star means definitely positive changes are coming in your life, and some communication and new beginnings, and someone from past coming back to offer equal give and take. Yeah, in past you may be rejected your person offer because you are not trusting them, because in past they did something to you. That's why you did not accept that offer, but now they're coming back again to offer equal give and take, some honest communication, truth communication. Yeah, so let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you, then we'll get more clarity. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings. Okay, Three of Wands. I think this could be long distance relationship. I think the juggling person could be your person. I think you both are in some confusion state. You don't know which decision how to make. Definitely Three of Wands, they're waiting. Maybe you turn your back from your person or your person maybe turn their back from you. Definitely there past there are some distance between both of you. Even though you're in relationship, you both are not talking well. And Ace of Wands, definitely they are very passionate about you. Lot of passion is in this connection. Yeah, they want new beginnings, but they don't know how to make a move towards you. Yeah, but some communication is coming. Definitely Ace of Swords, you are going to be receive some communication. Yeah, Three of Wands, this could be long distance. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Let's see the near future actions towards you. Five of Swords, I think they may be backstabbed on you, they may be cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely they did something wrong to you. For some, definitely there are some misunderstandings between both of you. Five of Swords is 2 times I saw that card, that's why. The World, Princess of Swords, yeah, Six of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection, but now your person want to offer equal give and take. Yeah, they want to communicate, they want to express their feelings. Princess of Swords, definitely they may be spying on your social media, they want to test the waters before coming towards you. Yeah, maybe long distance between both of you, some traveling involved in this connection. The World, yeah, definitely your person want reconciliation with you, they are waiting for the right time. And Princess of Swords, communication, yeah, you will receive some message from your person and they really want to offer equal give and take. Now I think in past maybe your person in and out of your life, they are non-committal, but now they want to commit to you. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Knight of Swords, Ten of Wands. I want one clarification card for Ten of Wands. Yeah, communication, there is a lot of passion. Definitely your person may be overburdened during this time. Maybe they have family responsibilities or work pressure. Definitely they are feeling overburdened, but still there is passion. And yeah, King of Swords and Knight of Swords, definitely they want to express their feelings. This time they may be King of Swords, they want to speak the truth and they want to express their true feelings to you, what I'm seeing here. Communication, yeah, Five of Pentacles under the deck. Definitely they are suffering in silence for the separation. They are missing you now. When you are with them, definitely they don't realize you both, but they are missing you now. If you are in separation or if you are in no contact. If you are in relationship, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level because Six of Pentacles 2 times. Definitely there is no equal give and take. Yeah, you are also feeling sad for the separation. Definitely separation. And Knight of Wands. Yeah, they are coming back to you. And Page of Wands, communication under the deck. Yeah, you are also feeling sad. I think you both are feeling sad for the separation which had happened between both of you. And Knight of Wands. Yeah, a lot of passion. Yeah, they are coming back with a lot of passion. And they want to offer equal give and take. And they want to express their feelings. Communication is coming in your way, Scorpio. You will expect some unexpected communication from your person. Yeah, if you are in separation. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Scorpio. See, communication, Seven of Wands, Four of Cups, Page of Cups, apology. Definitely will receive some message like an apology, or maybe they want to test the waters before coming towards you. Maybe said some how are you like message, definitely. And Four of Cups, maybe you are also feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person, or they are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. Seven of Wands, yeah, definitely you are very defensive. Either your person maybe won't give up on you. Definitely they will try again and again. And Page of Wands, yeah, I think one person may be younger than the other person in this connection. And yeah, communication. And one person in this connection is very good looking and beautiful. Yeah, lot of communication cards here, Scorpio. But they are coming back with passion. Your person, King of Wands, passion, lot of fire energy. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Two of Wands, Knight of Cups, see, King of Cups. Lot of emotions. Definitely this is true love. Now maybe they're realizing you both. Yeah, they really like you because Two Cups, King of Cups and Knight of Cups. Definitely they're coming back. For some, new person is also entering in your life. Yeah. And Two of Wands, this could be long distance relationship and they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe both living different cities, countries or state. Definitely they're thinking about you a lot. And King of Wands, yeah, they are very passionate about you. I think your person also very strong personality. They are also very strong and stand by their power. Yeah, maybe you both have some ego problems also. Yeah, definitely they really like you and they are thinking you about a lot. Let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. So take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So this is because this is general. Hold your vision. Yeah, if you want to achieve something in your life, in career wise or in relationship, definitely it will come true, because hold your vision. Because sometimes we don't trust what we believe, but definitely our beliefs creates our reality. Yeah, hold your vision. Our imagination creates our reality, our vision creates our reality. Definitely hold your vision and that will come true. Okay, if you are trusting, if you are not trusting anything right now, please, it is coming towards you, hold your vision, and if you are working towards your goal, be consistent. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.